Hi everyone, I'm Roma and I'm going to present you the Hackathon app XRPL command build. So basically, here's the main app. So first, what you need to do is to sign in. If you haven't created your account, you can just create your account with this, but mine is already created. So boom. Okay, so you should see this page once you're connected. Then you can go into judges dashboard. So here, and you can see that right now there is the hackathon demo that is right now that the hackathon is going on right now. So here we can see that we have a project to evaluate. So here you should have like 10, 20 or 100 projects. So here it's the best app, so you can have a look at the code, at the demo, which track they are competing for, how many members in it, what's the small description, so you can go into evaluate. Then you have all the things that you can evaluate. So here you'll have the description, best app in the whole universe, who is using it, so the live demo, the repo if you want to look at the code, and then you can just add score to the product. So for example, let's assume that the best app in the whole universe is a pretty good idea. The implementation was pretty okay, the demo quality was really great, and the potential is 4. So then you can add comments. The best app of the universe is truly the best app of the universe. Then you can submit evaluation, so every judge will have to pass through this flow, and at the end, for the winners, it will be on the admin side where we can do the final judgment. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.